This is the LHS Vegetable Chopper. Let's see how well it chops vegetables. Put it on, and let's see how it goes. Push it in there. A little bit came out, and just do that again. Chopped onions, just like that. They have this claw-looking thing to clean up the blades. Lift the tab here, pull it out, slide and push it back in. Rubber feet, you can actually pull them out and clean them. Push them back in and they're ready to go. The top comes off for easy cleaning, and this little nub here is soft plastic. Cut a few slices of this tomato. Let's see how it does with the tomato. Diced tomato, just like that. Let's put another piece in. If I don't have a skin on either side, it doesn't work as well. There's a lot of residue stuck on here. And up here, some stuff stuck. This one works better. I'm just gonna do the rest of it. If you press it quick and fast, it works better. So let me do that. Just slam it right in there, and we got diced tomatoes. This looks like I can make salsa. When you get close, you use this attachment so you won't slice your finger. Go like that. Now we're just left with the end piece. All done. Pretty quick. Okay. It's having a little bit of trouble doing tomato. This is like a soft tomato, but if you kind of slide it left and right, it does okay. Maybe it can't do tomatoes too well. This left to right motion works well. It slices rather thin. It's only about 2 millimeters, so you probably don't want to do this with tomatoes. A scallop potato. Oh yeah. Ooh, all equal thickness. Some of these graters only have 2 or 3 rows. This one has 4, so you can grate longer and more of it will be grated. Squeeze the water out of this. Hash browns. Doing a little bit of ginger. Grated ginger. All of this is dishwasher safe, so you can just toss it in there. At first I thought the lid might be a little bit thick, but it actually needs it when you do the onion. There's considerable force when you push down on this thing to push it through. Sometimes you get too much variation when you use a knife to cut things. Using a slicer will guarantee uniform thickness. That means you won't have some pieces that are overcooked or even charred. Make sure you have one of the dicers on it. Put 3 of the attachments in the back, 1 of the attachment in the front. Fit the finger protector here, the comb in the middle, and then all of this fits inside. You can close it up and put it away. Check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.